Welcome to Anytime Cooking. In another episode of Let's Cook Together, I invite all of you to cook with me. Today I will be sharing the recipe of Paneer Parantha. Let's see the ingredient first. I have taken a block of 200 grams paneer. For the spices, some coriander leaves, chili powder, and the star ingredients, which is the white pepper powder and some ajwain seeds, and of course salt to taste. For this much paneer I am taking 2 teaspoons of salt. We'll start by grating the paneer. Whatever small pieces are left, we can crumble with our hands. Mixing the spices. Mix it really well. I forgot to add the green chilies, so chopping them fine and adding it to the mixture. Don't skip the green chilies because they really go well with paneer. Adding the chilies. Giving a good mix. Now taking a small ball of dough. Taking a ball of this size, dusting it with dry flour, start making the small chapati. Taking a fistful of filling, placing it in the center. If there is moisture in the paneer, you can add little dry flour. Now start making pleats by holding it above the paneer. Pinch it together, pressing it gently in the center. Press it from all sides so that the filling is evenly distributed. Dusting it with dry flour. Start rolling it. Roll it very gently. Don't bother if it tears from the sides. You can just bring it together. Now we'll roast it on a hot tawa. Greasing the tawa a little bit with the ghee. On high flame, placing the parantha. Let it roast on one side for around a minute. Then gently flip it over. After about 30 seconds, start putting ghee. Turn it again. Applying some ghee on the other side. Now on high flame, roast it by gently pressing it and flipping the sides. Once roasted on all the sides, remove it carefully in a plate. We'll do one more. Now we'll roll the second paratha. Delicious paneer paranthas are ready to serve. Enjoy these delicious paneer paranthas with mint raita. some cumin powder, and of course some butter. If you have enjoyed my recipe, give a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.